The Fox and the Leopard. One afternoon, a fox and a leopard were resting lazily under a tree after a big lunch. To pass the time, they started arguing about which one of them was the best looking. The leopard was very proud of his shiny spotted coat. He made fun of the fox, saying his fur was just plain orange and rather ordinary. "Look at my spots," the leopard bragged. "They are unique and fashionable. I am clearly the most beautiful animal in the forest." The fox was quite proud of his own big bushy tail with its white tip, but he was smart enough to know he couldn't beat the leopard in a beauty contest. However, he loved a good argument and kept making witty jokes just to annoy the leopard. Finally, the leopard started to lose his temper. Seeing this, the fox stood up and let out a long, lazy yawn. "You may have a very fancy coat on your back," the fox said with a grin, "but you'd be much better off if you had a little more fancy inside your head and a little less on your fur. To me, being smart is the real kind of beauty." The moral of the story? Being smart on the inside is better than just looking good on the outside. The end.